Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine. Today I'm making this Farmhouse Glam stand-up front porch plaque. I'm going to be using these different bundles of material that I found at Walmart. I'm going to be using this wooden plaque that I found at my local Dollar Tree for $5. If you find when you're getting ready to use your Mod Podge or paint and it won't open, give it a good few taps with something hard and it will open right up. I am now spreading some Mod Podge on the back of this board. Press down your material and be sure to get out all the air bubbles. I folded down the end of the next material just to give it that more finished look. And don't stress yourself out if you don't get out all the air bubbles, because it's going to get covered anyway. Time to turn this board over and finish it up. This is going to be outside in the elements, so you can seal it with clear spray or Mod Podge and the wet patches will disappear as it dries. I'm going to decorate the edge of this board with some gem mesh that I found at my local Dollar Tree and sticking it down with some Mod Podge. Now it's time for these 3 pumpkins that I found for $3 at my local Dollar Tree. And good thing I went in when I did, because they were the last 3 left. So good timing. As you can see, I am cutting these pumpkins in half using my husband's hacksaw. If any kids are watching, be sure to have an adult do that part for you. It is now time to spray 2 halves of one of the pumpkins white. I decided to paint the other halves of this pumpkin in the color Peacock. It is Waverly chalk paint and it is gorgeous. I found it at my local Walmart. Time to break out the old toothpick so it will keep this in place. I guess I could have stuck a stick up through the bottom of it and held it up like a lollipop and then painted it. Oh well, I got the job done. My nails are way too long for this project. I was on vacation and had them long, but now I'm home again, it is time to cut them. It is now time to paint in between the ridges to give the pumpkin more definition. I found these wooden plaques at Walmart and the Dollar Tree. I'm only painting the outer edge of these wooden plaques, about 1 to 2 inches in. Now it's time to add a few strokes of Mod Podge so I can apply the glitter. This pumpkin already came with gold glitter, but I decided to add a little more. Hey, you can never have enough gold glitter. After the Mod Podge was fully dried with the glitter, I took them outside and gave them 2 coats of clear spray paint. And this helps to set the glitter also so it doesn't flake off. After the pumpkins are fully dried, it is now time to glue them to the wooden plaques with some wood glue that I found at the Dollar Tree. these burlap flowers at Michael's and the balls at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use these flowers to hide the ends where the rope meets for that finished look. And I'm going to use these wooden balls as the stalk of the pumpkin. It is now time to decorate this plaque that says "Gather" that I found at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to do some little lines around it that gives it that stitched look. Glue this to the top of the covered board. It is now time to glue the pumpkins to the board also. I figured this board is going to need a stand, so why not make one? I will be making this out of paint-in canvas that I found at my local Dollar Tree, and also the pieces of wood that you see were purchased from my local Dollar Tree also. I purchased the L-shaped brackets at Walmart to give it more reinforcement. Off camera, my husband used his electric drill to attach them for me. If you don't have an electric drill, you can just do it by hand with a screwdriver. I found this hanging football and pumpkin plaque at my local Dollar Tree. All I wanted was the pumpkins off of it, not the footballs. And these fall colored flowers are from my local Dollar Tree also. Found these at my Dollar Tree also. Seemed like this project had so many different things to do, but look, it all came together beautifully at the end. Absolutely gorgeous. I really love doing this, and I hope you liked it too. If you liked what you've seen, please leave your comments below, subscribe, and share. This makes YouTube notice me even more. Until next time, all of you, stay safe and take care.